Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be unboxing another weird Nokia phone from 2003, the Nokia 6800. The 6800 is a 3-keypad weird looking phone that was released in 2003 and is known for its unique shape and unique features. This phone I have here is old and has been used in the past, but did come with its box and some of its accessories when I purchased it. I purchased it for around $32 with the price on screen here. And in this video, we'll be unboxing it and seeing what it's like. And in the future, I'll be doing a restoration video on this phone, as this phone is in pretty bad condition. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Alright, let's jump right into this. Now let's open the box and see what's on the inside. We are first greeted with the Nokia BLC2 battery which powers this phone. The battery seems slightly bloated, but that's no problem and I'm sure it'll work just fine. Now let's see what else is inside this box. Now let's put the box aside and see what all this paperwork is about. Firstly, we have a Nokia user guide that shows all the features of this phone. The rest of all the paperwork are just AT&T network features and SIM card information. Opening up this bag, and we are greeted with the Nokia branded ACP12 wall charger, which is rated from 100 to 240 volts, which also makes it a travel charger. The seller has also included a third-party aftermarket car charger, which I'm not going to use since it's unbranded. The seller has also included a belt clip carrying case for this phone, which he probably used during its lifetime. This is also aftermarket and unbranded. In this next bag, we can see that the seller has included the keyboard that came apart from the phone, a bunch of screws, and the spring-loaded rotator mechanisms that the phone uses to rotate its keyboard up and down, as well as a grey Nokia branded piece of plastic which I'm sure was pasted to the back of the phone and has now come loose. Now let's open this next bag for the main event, which is the phone itself. And as you can see, this phone is in pretty bad condition, with the main keyboard also coming off from its pivots. The phone also doesn't seem to be charged, so we'll have to charge it and see if it powers on. Okay, so I think this battery is shot. This is the LC2 and this is the BLD3. This is my battery. This should work with this phone. Let's see if I can get the pins to line up. Try and turn it on and see what's up. In the photos it did turn on, so if it doesn't when we have a problem, this battery feels a bit bloated, but let me just put it in and then plug in the charger and see what's up. Like I mentioned earlier, the charger is a ACP12U. This is a European plug, as you can see. Well, no, this is not a European plug, but the voltage, as you can see, is 240 volts. So 240 volts basically means this is a travel charger, because you can take it around the world. Just plug it in. Might take a while. The battery is also probably just weak as hell. So we'll just leave it on the charger for a while and see what happens. So as described in the listing, the thing does power on and the LCD looks great. This, you're wondering why it's sideways. It's because this phone is meant to be used like that, sideways. But I'm not gonna put the SIM card and do all that right now. This phone needs extensive work. There's so much broken on this. The spring-loaded mechanism, the inside of this keyboard, everything is in here. The plastic's cracked here and there. This phone needs a lot of work. So I'll be doing a separate restoration video on this phone. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be hard to restore in such bad condition, but I'm gonna try because this is such a rare phone. And hopefully this phone will look as well. It'll never look good as new. That's pretty stupid to say like that, but sorry about that. I ran out of space on my phone. What I was saying is it'll look better than it is. But anyway, this thing, I'll leave it to charge. Just a fun thing I want to show you guys. This is how the keyboard attaches, connects with the phone. As you can see, these contacts. So there are contacts here, as you can see, here and there. When it goes like that, as you can see, the lights turn on. There you go. There you go. So the lights turn on when they're in contact. That's where it gets its power and signal from. There are another two at the top there. That's when it comes over here. Come on, detect. Wait, it goes like that. So okay, it's upside down. Okay, so it should detect. It's not detecting that way, so I'll have to check the power pins on there. They're probably broken. But that's how this phone works. Oh, isn't there LEDs on? Maybe there are no LEDs here. So anyway, this phone is pretty interesting, this flipping mechanism. Repairing it is gonna be quite tough, but I'll try. This LCD, the cracked plastic, I'll have to find a way to fix this as well. Maybe I'll use glass filler or something, I don't know. But stay tuned for the video when I restore this. It'll be in a while because I gotta figure out how I'm gonna restore this thing. I'm not going to be replacing any parts because that kind of beats the originality of this phone. It's no longer going to be the same phone if I start replacing parts. It's going to lose its worth. So I'm going to stick with the original parts. But until the restoration video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.